Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Econos. I'm going to show you how to use Color Doppler on your Kosmos system. Color Doppler, also referred to as color, helps you visualize blood flow direction and velocity. We have color on both Torso-One probe and the Lexsa probe. Here I'm using the Torso-One to demonstrate on the hepatic vein. To start, from the 2D image, simply tap the color icon and the Color Doppler box will appear. You can optimize Color Doppler by adjusting the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the color gain to increase vibrancy, increase the sensitivity level, and adjust wall filter to reduce noise. You can resize the box by tapping and pulling any corner. You can select your color map and invert if needed. Next, let's look at Color Doppler on the Lexsa probe. Again, activate Color Doppler by selecting the color icon. I'll scan the carotid artery. You can again optimize Color Doppler by adjusting the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the color gain to increase vibrancy, increase the sensitivity level, and adjust wall filter to reduce noise. Lexsa has the additional options to select artery or vein and steer. You will want to steer the color box so that you are optimizing the color fill so that you get the most accurate reading. The system keeps scanning even while you adjust these settings, so you can see your changes in real time. Remember that the maximum size of your color box may be limited depending on your scanning depth and other settings. Now I'm going to show you how to use your Color Power Doppler on your Kosmos Lexsa probe. Color Power Doppler, CPD, while it sounds similar to Color Doppler, serves a different purpose. Color Power has high sensitivity in areas of low flow velocities. It is not direction or angle dependent. Since CPD shows the strength of blood flow rather than direction, it's particularly useful for assessing flow in smaller vessels or structures like the thyroid, where traditional Color Doppler might be less effective. For example, it is helpful in detecting tendon inflammation in MSK scanning. To use CPD, simply tap the CPD icon to toggle it on and off. You can adjust the color box size and position just like in regular Color Doppler mode. CPD is available when using the Lexsa probe in vascular, nerve, and MSK presets. You can optimize Color Power Doppler by adjusting the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the color gain to increase vibrancy, increase the sensitivity level, adjust wall filter to reduce noise, select artery or vein, and adjust steer. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at econos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.